Hey there, savvy shoppers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech and finance tips to make your life easier. Today, we're diving into how to add Chase Sapphire to PayPal. If you're a Chase Sapphire cardholder, linking it to PayPal can streamline your online purchases, earn you rewards, and keep everything in one place. It's a quick process that only takes a few minutes, so let's get started right away. First things first, make sure you have your Chase Sapphire card details handy. This includes your card number, expiration date, and the security code on the back. Now, open up your web browser or the PayPal app on your phone. If you're on the app, log in to your PayPal account using your email and password. Once you're in, head over to the Wallet section, which is usually found in the main menu. This is where all your payment methods are managed. Next, look for the option that says, Link a card, or Add a new card. Tap or click on that, and you'll be prompted to enter your card information. Carefully type in your Chase Sapphire card number, select the card type as credit, and add the expiration date and CVV. Double-check everything to avoid any errors. Nobody wants a declined transaction later. After you've entered the details, PayPal might ask you to verify the card. This could involve making a small test transaction or confirming via your bank's app. Just follow the on-screen instructions, and once it's verified, your card will be linked. That's it, you're all set. One quick tip. Always keep an eye on your PayPal settings for security. You can set up notifications for transactions to stay on top of your spending. Adding your Chase Sapphire card not only makes payments faster but also helps you rack up those reward points on everyday buys. If you run into any issues, Chase and PayPal both have excellent customer support. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more finance hacks. See you in the next video.